Hello and welcome to a new car detailing video. Today we're going to be trying out this Turtle Wax Metallic car wax on my white Bolt EV electric car. This product from Turtle Wax has PTFE in there, which stands for tetraethylene, and it's supposedly a more durable wax which will last longer and will have better water and dirt repelling attributes. Let's see how this works. I'll apply it with a Zonex pad and then test it out later how it repels water. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. And specifically for this project we're going to be using the wax, the Zonex pad, which has this nice grip. Of course, because it has PTFE in there, we're going to use these gloves and a lot of microfiber towel cloths to buff it off. Here I'm using Dunlop's. I found them for a very cheap price and they're of good quality. And that's it basically. So you apply it, let's say one panel at a time, let it sit there for maybe 2 or 3 minutes and then you buff it off. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, after shaking the product well, I smelled it. Smells a bit like a baby lotion, so quite pleasant, not chemical. And you apply a couple of drops on the pad, which we will then distribute on each panel. So here a bit, there 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 a bit. And this is nice because it's a white car, but it has a bit of a contrasting color, which makes it much more easy to see what you're working with. Less is more. So indeed, you just want to apply it and make sure you don't overspray or overuse. It's what I normally do. Then you let it haze for a bit. So make sure you hit the pen in all possible ways, left, right, up, down. You can do circular motion, but rub it in nicely. Yeah, and once this is starting to haze, you can already start, let's say, on the lower part. Then when you're done with that, this is ready to be buffed off. It's very easy to apply, very thin, spreads very well, so I'm quite happy with it. The product doesn't haze as strong as a paste wax does, but you can clearly see it. It starts to mist a bit, like a fog in the morning. And now you're ready to buff it off with your microfiber towel. And this goes very easy, very smooth. Maybe also has to do that this is a new microfiber towel, very soft. I mean, that's pleasant. But yeah, it's very easy to buff off. And I think compared to a paste wax, which is much thicker, is much harder. So this is definitely easy, and although it's a lot of manual labor, yeah, it doesn't make me extremely tired or something, so I can do something else today with the rest of my arm. It's very nice. What I really appreciate about these Turtle Wax products is that they're so easy to use. I mean, when you use it, you always, no matter whether you're an amateur or a professional, I'm an amateur of course, but you just can't do anything wrong with these products. And that's what I like so much about products like Turtle Wax and Zonex. They have a great price point and they just deliver, they just work. And it's easy to use, the result is good, the price is excellent, and that makes it so much fun to use them. But I have this experience with Turtle Wax and Zonex. What are your favorite brands? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Looks like my car has been sniffing cocaine all over the place or something, but that's residue from Turtle Wax. Yeah, really maybe use a bit of tape to tape that section off so you don't need to brush the whole car over. So now we're going to let it sit there for 1 hour. To haze off a bit, not to haze off, to dry off. Luften. Get a bit of fresh air. Let the product dry. There wasn't a specific drying time. I checked it everywhere, it's not written, but I think 1 hour like this should be fine before we take it outside on the streets again. I'm gonna get something to lunch, and when we come back, we'll do some tire shine and see what the final result is like. Yeah, sehr geil. Now as a finishing touch, a bit of Aldi tire spray. Oh yeah. Sehr geil. That'll make the tire shine very nice. everybody will be impressed, especially the neighbors. And although it's not as good as Zonax or some of the other premium brands, this super cheap Aldi tire shine is just so much fun to put on. I can't get enough of it. It's a bit of a fetish, this tire foam. Yeah. And as you can see, it dries really fast. Just let it dry. You don't need to wipe anything off. Just clean your rims and your wheels a bit afterwards. Do you use tire foam or do you prepare a gel or spray? Let me know in the comments. So we're back from the fish and chips lunch, and there she is, my 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV Opel ampera-e. Looks absolutely stunning after the 45 minutes of hard waxing labor. Wow, what a shine. I mean, that's just great. It feels so soft. And here under these lights, yeah, you can really see that this wax is outstanding. Not sure about the longevity, but because it has the PTFE in it, it should last longer than, for example, my other waxes that I've used that don't have that in them, more pure Canubo waxes. But I'm very happy with the result. Yeah, and this just looks amazing. Of course, a lot of preparation went in it with decontaminating the paint, with the polishing compound, and then multiple car washes. But this result is just totally worth it. And yeah, also the back, it just shines wonderful. Let me know what you think. Do you like the Turtle Wax Metallic PTFE liquid wax? Is there another product that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I wish you a great weekend and a lot of fun washing and cleaning your car, and I hope it'll look as stunning as mine does right now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.